I want to find out which item do I have the most of in all of my stock. Over here, I have products. I have a total number of products. I have products all over storage here. I just want to find out which product do I have the most of and what is the top 3 inventory. Well, we can do large and we can go through our data, and I just want the number 1 item there, and that's 39. And so I can do a little bit of a VLOOKUP or index match. I really like index match. I just want to find the index of what's in D column with a matching 39 from the E column, and that's chalk. Where is chalk? There. Don't want to put 0 for an exact match, and so that is pencil here, 39. Now you might be using max, and you just say, what's the maximum of this column? And you'll say 39, but you can't find the next one. So that's why I use large, because I can say 1, and then in the next spot, I can say 2, and in the next spot, I can say 3. And now I see that my top 3 inventory items are pencil, marker, and notebook. And that's why I use the large formula here. Hopefully that was really cool for you, and now you can stop using the max formula if you're looking for the top sort of N numbers here. You're watching Better Sheets here on YouTube. Make sure you check out this video or this video and subscribe right now to get more tips, tricks, how-tos, get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before. I'm excited to be making a ton more videos here. Ask me questions down in the comments and I will answer them in future videos. But for right now, right here, one of these videos is going to be your next Google Sheet.